Hello. Good morning, everybody. So, did you know the floods in Pakistan have reached over 1,300 people? 33 million have been affected. Now, there's a whole bunch of speculations on what's going on with these floods and whatever. People, right now, the reason that these floods are there, it's not the issue. Right now, it's a lot of people, 33 million people that have been affected. And this is only one place. This is the real issue. You know, a lot of these people had lands, had houses, a whole community. Now these people got to be moving again. Now, this is the thing. We must now study. Do these people get to go back to their lands? The ones that were displaced? When everything subsides and all of that, do these people get notice wherever they went? Okay, your land is maybe a little messed up, but yeah, you could do something. Or are they going to be offered money to sell that land? And then now, yeah, they gave you money. So you have to know what you're doing. How many people will know what they're doing? People, we have to start watching really how these things now play out. That's what's important. Everybody wants to be sending aid and all of that. Is anybody wondering how? Because it's not like they're just going to give the people money in their hands like that. No, they're supposed to then put down things that will help the people to move forward and get set back up and all of that. You know, that's how it's supposed to work. Because you just giving them money in this situation. Yeah, they got food they got to worry about. They got shelter they got to worry about. These are the things now then that the money would be spent on when that's on the government to get that set up. You see?